The reason why the lecturers are on strike as we speak is the implementation of the 2017-2021 CPA cycle. They were claiming they are owed 7.9 billion, but SRC indicated that 7.2 billion of that amount has already been paid, and the balance is 624 million. So they met over the weekend, the technical teams have met over the weekend, and we're expecting a report today to confirm a verification of the report of the amounts that are outstanding. Then we can deal with the next issue of how they go back to work. But going forward, we put in place systems to ensure that CPAs are negotiated at the beginning of their cycle, so that we avoid a situation where we are dealing with many CPAs that were completed many years ago and had not been fulfilled. So going forward, and there's a team negotiating the 25-29 CPA as we speak, so that we can have it done.